susunduin muna namin si Bagets kasi galing school. Half day lang naman siya kasi examination week nila. So, see you guys later, alligator.
Alligator. I'm the leader of the group 3. And then our gawain is to draw the panahon.
Okay.
In the sheets, activity sheets. And then the group 3 and I got perfect. And then when Sir Naling said na magaling po kami. We're very good. And tomorrow we're gonna have a reward from teacher. Reward.
Okay.
Because you've been very good.
Okay.
Then that's it.
Okay.
Pause it.
So we're thinking for this bunk
Should I
bed.
help? Help?
Ito na kasi ito from 24,950.
Medium, yeah, medium.
22,455.
Hi guys, I'm helping Daddy holding
Yeah.
it now because Daddy doesn't have the tool.
Ito yung isa.
I like this one because
Ito naman ito. 50% yung price was pero 50% off. Ayun. Yun yung bunk bed na inaay namin. The left side sa akin, sa right side sa Bagets. Alam niyo bakit? What time is the meeting? Bata. Uy, maternity leave ako. Ano ka bata? So guys, bawal pong bata dito sa office namin. Pero it's a family.
hello guys. See the boy? Sorry, Mom. We're gonna go to IKEA.
Ganda. Tapos ito yung parang bed namin. Nakasil kasi nasa Mandawi na nga pala kami. Oh, pala. Sino yarn? Ayun, bet ko rin to para sa akin. Kasi 2,989 na lang. Sa akin sabi ko wala kape. Parang tatanungin kung anong peg.
Mom, which are you?
Ayun, tingnan mo, 10K lang.
10K.
Sliding.
Dito.
What's this? Pretty girl. Charot.
Which one are you vlogging?
I like. Daddy will buy me this, oh.
No. Not fair. That's fair.
I have a vanity table na.
But you already have now.
That's just a vanity gawa-gawa.
But the only one is better. Yeah.
Pag may mga damaged items, ayun, may table, may chair po.
How?
Baka yung ano yung issue. Baka ayan, oh, hindi siya masara ng maayos. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. 2-3 na lang. Diba? Ito, mga damage siya talaga pang Bagets. See?
Saka itong support na sa ulit. Ito na naman po yung nakakapit sa kanya.
Yan, we're here in Moa Globe. With me. Hi. Hi, everybody. Here at IKEA. I love. Kaya nga eh. Ayan no, taas na yan no. 175. Naloko tayo eh. Grabe oh, 175,000 to. Super mahal. Where are we now? Ow!
Go in the elevator.
Hip hop.
Then I eat.
Hip hop ka ba? Hip hop yo. Hip hop. Hip hop yo. Galing ah. adobo. Mukhang masarap din pala yung adobo. Ano pa yung nasa last?
Dami po tayo, guys.
Sarap. Gutom tayo.
Fishball.
You wanna dip the meatball here? Mait niyang...
What is
Halos
that?
hindi mo mo.
Fish.
Ha?
Fish. Pechay.
Masok ka na bedding.
Dumpling.
Pechay.
Ano to?
Spaghetti, ilay.
Ah, spaghetti.
Banana.
Black na lang. Ay, black and gray. Kuha na! Salang!
Deeper pala tawag.
Hey guys! What are you doing?
At the showroom. We love looking at the showroom because there's a lot to inspire. Look.
Cutie!
Kain ko may init.
Ayan, maganda rin to guys.
Mga gawin ni Papa Tim.
Oh, ayan na. Saan yung bata? Nawala. Nawala na yung isang maliit. Kaya... Hmm? Gaming. Check mo how much. No, perfect. 18,990. Ha? Ganda oh, perfect. Susukat na nga po. Opo, opo. 180 oh, ayun oh. Yun yung kala Yasi. Di ba Yasi? Yung lagi natatanggal.
Yeah. Guys, you're gonna get ice cream after.
Yeah. Tit!
What time is it?
Tit! You need battery. Dami rin pala. Kala ko konti lang. Isang bag lang kasi kanina. Puntahan mo na dun. Dali. Excited ka, be? Yazi, excited ka? Put it first. Yan, then you insert the coin. And then, go, 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 go. Whoa. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
Sabay-sabay.
Mirror, mirror, ay hindi, magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? Snow White. Hindi kaya tabot, B. Masyado kang sa circle. Paano? Ha?
Tingin ka lang doon.
Tumingin ka doon para makita yung mukha mo. Doon na sa camera. Sa taas. Yun o. Ayan o, ayan o. Smile, Yasi. Ang bahaba mo ah. Maliit si Snow White. Maliit si Snow White eh. So cute naman this Snow White. Nice. So small, like Eli's. Wow, looks like an earth. Bye-bye. And that's it. I'll be ending this vlog. See you on our next vlog. Bye!
Bye. Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. Because we don't have subscribers, so you better subscribe. Bye-bye!